buy a perfume of 25,000, except the person already know that this perfume is sold for 25,000, except the person already know he has been buying from you, no problem. But if the person does not know already, maybe it's a new customer, add the dispatch money to it and tell the person it is free delivery. When he wants to deliver his product, the cost of way B using the professional dispatch rider is expensive. So he wants to know if he can be using buses, like normal regular bus, keke, all those people that go from junction to junction. So you use those ones to deliver the product. Now, success, this is what you need to understand. In business, you must come up with solutions that are suitable to you, and that are reliable. You don't just, let me give you an example. You don't just do things anyhow. Let's assume that somebody bought a perfume worth 25,000 naira. And for a dispatch rider to deliver it, it's going to cost 2,500. So let's say 3,000. So that is 28,000, right? And now the person, you have told the person that it's 25,000, and you told the person that for delivery is 3,000. And the person say, oh no, I don't have 3,000. Say, okay, let me use bus, normal bus that is moving from one junction to the other. Where do you stay? The person told you, that's okay, let me use bus. And bus is going to collect 500 naira, right? Then you now give the bus to the conductor, to the driver or whatever. And now, for the driver to now deliver it, only for the driver to pass, the person was not there, he could not wait. The driver now passed, I went to the place, the person now called, you say, I'm there, and I said, the driver said, he has passed, to call the driver. Okay, if he's coming back, before you know, long story lead to one thing, the person is upset, he's tired, one thing, and probably it is pay on delivery. I'm just saying, they have not paid your money. Your perfume is with the driver, the customer is angry, you are angry. Then the next thing, the driver say, I'm not versed, one thing. The time for driver to deliver, you bring perfume out, perfume are broken. Or do you understand? You cannot, when you are doing business, you must plan. That's how I said I was going to teach about management. You must manage things properly. You can't just do things anyhow. You want to make fast money, so this one is cheap. It's not about cheap. Cheap is expensive. That's what most people don't know. Okay, now, paying 3,000 naira for a dispatch rider that would have gone to deliver it, wait for the person, come out, sign, collect the money, do everything, as against this one now that perfume is now missing, or perfume fell down and broke. Which one is better? Who lose? Who gain? So here's what I'm saying to you. Stick to dispatch rider that will deliver properly for now. How do you go about that? If somebody wants to buy a perfume of 25,000, except the person already know that this perfume is sold for 25,000, except the person already know he has been buying from you, no problem. But if the person does not know already, maybe it's a new customer, add the dispatch money to it and tell the person it is free delivery. So instead of it to be 25,000, you tell the person it's 28,000, but free delivery. By that time, you already know where the person is staying. You're not going to tell the person it's free delivery, and where the person is staying to deliver it is 8,000 naira. You are on your own. So when the client contacts you, first thing you want to know is that where do you stay, so that you know how to deliver. The person tells you, you add the delivery to your distance. It's better to use dispatch rider. Then when you now have money later, you can now buy your own dispatch. Like you buy your own machine. Did you understand? You get your own machine that will be delivering for you. Or another thing I used to do then is that I'll get a dispatch rider person, I have a deal with them. Anytime anybody needs a product, I'll call them, they will go and deliver it for a fixed price. So like, if you go to this place, 1.5, if you go to this place, 2K, if you go to this area, 2.5, like balance like that. So we have the business. I'll call them. So I can call them today that somebody orders something today. I can gather all today's order, and I will call the client that it's tomorrow I'm delivering. So as he's coming, he knows he's delivering to plenty places. You see it now. So that's why the money is less. So that's what I advise concerning the dispatch rider thing. Thank you.